sole intention to ensure justice.
Percent of our population would have got equitable democratic participation. However, the opposition has very clearly, they have tried to mislead the public. They have sabotaged one of the most important bills that have been brought into the parliament by any government, this time by the NDA governments, because the Congress and its allies fear that a woman receive their historic rights under the leadership of a prime minister, then remaining political ground they have will also slip away. The government will firmly fight this anti-woman forces in the opposition, the Congress party and the India Alliance members, for the rights of women, so that half the population of the country receives the place it rightfully deserves. In 2023, it was almost a unanimous vote where 400 plus member of parliaments, when compared to 2 against, had supported the 2003 version of the bill. But in the 2003 version of the bill, it was said that the women's reservation will happen after the delimitation process, which will be most likely ending sometime in 2027. And after all the due processes, most likely the women's reservation bill in the 2023 version would have only started from 2034 or beyond. You asked a question which is why not in the current form. The reasons are many. At this moment there are 545 seats, and in the women's reservation bill, 1/3 of the seats will be reserved for women. There will be a lot of political, even among the opposition itself, the parties that are claiming to support women's reservation bill itself, there will be a lot of lack of consensus when it comes to the seats that need to be reserved.